Hi friend, welcome back to our ML series. Last episode we understood what machine learning is. Today we stop talking and start building. No coding, no confusion, just one website doing the heavy lifting for us. By the end of this video, you build your first machine learning model. Ready? Let's move.
Okay, let's go.
What is data? Before machines learn anything, we need to answer one question. What does a computer actually learn from? The answer is data. Data means information, anything that gives knowledge. For machine learning, data can be images, audio, video, text, and posts. To us, this looks normal, but to a computer, everything becomes numbers. A photo, thousands of tiny pixels. A sound, wave numbers. A body pose points on a skeleton. So ML does not see or hear like humans. Converts data into numbers, searches for patterns, learns what's common. Make smart guesses next time. That's it. No magic, just math doing pattern work quietly in the background. And today we'll feed this data without writing a single line of code. Before that, I'll introduce one website. The name is Teachable Machine. Teachable Machine is a free website by Google that lets you train machine learning models easily. You can create models using image, audio, pose. The killer feature is you can use your webcam as your data source. You show examples, the computer learns from them. Exactly like teaching a child. See this, remember it. Simple. Explore Teachable Machine. Search Teachable Machine. Select the first link, okay? Teachable Machine, first link. Okay, you can see Teachable Machine train your computer to recognize your own images, sounds, and poses. A fast, easy way to create machine learning models from your site, apps, and more. No expertise or coding required. Go ahead, selecting this. Okay, get started. I am going to select image project. First we do model with image. Now here we going to do classification. Okay, so we have two classes. First class name is smile and the second class name is no smile. Okay, now we have two classes. First I am going to teach first class how smile look like. Ready? Everyone smile with me. Okay, now we gathered 134 image samples for smile. Now I go with no smile. $133 for no smile. Okay, now we have data for machine. Now I am trained a model. Okay, now it's time to test. It's working or not working. Okay, that's it. This is our first model using Teachable Machine. If your model is not working, you give more examples, more samples, and more varieties. It will give perfect answer. Okay.
This is the end.
And that's it. Episode 2. You just understood what data really is, converted real world actions into ML input, built and tested your first image classification model. No code, all logic. Next episode we teach machines to hear. Audio classification is coming up next. Until then, don't just use technology, train it. And this is PPS Park. Bye.